We'll start by sketching the body proportions of a seated person. To do this, we must consider the positioning of each body part. This vertical line represents the upper body. Draw the legs like this. The legs are the same size as the upper body. We'll add the knees in the middle here. Divide the line into 4 equal parts. Do the same with the bottom section. Then, draw a circle for the head. Draw the remaining portions of the torso like this. For a more detailed explanation, feel free to check out our other videos. Keep in mind that our character is a girl when drawing the body proportions. You'll notice that the thighs and buttocks are a bit more curved. Darken the outer contours. Erase any unnecessary lines. Now let's move on to the details. Here, we're adding more detail to the hands and fingers. Mark the placement of the eyes in the center of the face here. Add a small line for the nose and mouth. Draw the ears, then the hair. Here, we'll draw her hair tied back in a ponytail. Now let's move on to the clothes. We'll draw a short sleeve top that leaves the shoulders bare and extends down to the navel. Draw the shoes like this. Erase any extra lines. Now let's add the finishing touches. Here, we'll add some straps under the top like this. Pay attention to the character's position when drawing folds in the fabric. To finish, draw the seam lines on the pants.